After finally arresting Injustice Superman and his regime, Bruce talks to him for a little before he leaves, tired of Clark refusing to take accountability, but deep down he knew that this war wasn't over, which quickly gets confirmed later when Waller kidnaps Harley as a new fake Batman pulls up, kills Amanda, and then controls her entire squad with a tablet. The real Batman then shows up only to get knocked out, but he eventually wakes up and instantly begins forming a group to rebuild the world and see what's up with the fake Batman and his team. But then suddenly the prison loses power, giving Superman the chance to break out, only for Bruce to confront him, revealing that he has the Atom with a kryptonite shard inside of Clark's brain. And so while Clark is getting handled, the fake Bats forces Harley to help them free Damian from his cell, where they then all go to their big boss Ra's al Ghul, who explains to Harley that he needs her help because he basically wants to kill most of the human population to create a better future for people like her daughter, and to also protect species nearing extinction. Bruce, however, is holding a meeting with the richest people to execute his own vision, but then while waiting on the arrival of Ted Kord, he finds out that Ra's had captured him to publicly shame him for destroying the environment for his financial gains before destroying his organizations and straight up killing him. But it only gets worse later when he decides to send fake Batman and Damian to dig up Alfred's dead body and use the Lazarus Pit to resurrect him while Harley is kidnapping the hero's kids. Ra's then FaceTimes Batman and his team, essentially telling them that they have to let him go through with his plan of balancing the world, or else Alfred and their kids will die. But Batman then reveals to his team that he had secretly put a tracker on Green Arrow's son, so he knows exactly where they are, as he then heads out to recruit Plastic Man, his son, and the second Blue Beetle, who then all meet up with the rest to sneak into Ra's secret underground facility where he is keeping certain species and whatnot. They all manage to sneak in except for Blue Beetle, as we then see the heroes indulging in many fights until Batman finally finds Alfred, ultimately causing a fight between him and Damian while everyone is watching. Alfred eventually stops them from fighting and even begins talking Ra's and Batman down, almost convincing them to talk things out if it wasn't for Blue Beetle crashing down, which led to the extinction of multiple species, with the whole sanctuary burning down, causing Ra's to crash out on Batman before he orders Aqualad to flood Washington, killing many, only to then move on to his new plan.